Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We're in our new digs, which you may notice to this point look a lot like our old digs. I'll get into that in a second, but first, today we have our Ipsies, our regular bag, and this is the Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let's see what we've got. These are my January boxes. January was well put off by 2 weeks of Fabfitfun's spoilers and all of the goodies. So now we are back into bags. We are in our new space. I know. You guys are thinking right now, it looks exactly like your old space, except for the room is gray. And you're not wrong. I have just moved across the hall into another room that we painted gray years ago. For some reason in my head, I thought it was going to be a lot lighter. I had hoped not to do the setup with the same old designs that I've had behind me for forever. Tomorrow, the first thing I'm going to do is go out and get 2 lamps for right here and hopefully light up these darker areas here. We'll see how it does moving forward. I am on an incredibly bright window that you can't see right here. I thought it would make all the difference in the world. But we are going to move forward, see what's in my bags, and we'll worry about that later. First, we're going to start with the regular Ipsy bag. This is the OG. Ooh. My bag was basically open. Here's hoping everything's in here. You will have 5 products. Deluxe samples is what they say you will get. Sometimes you will get full-size products. You may get brushes or nail polish, something, a lippy, something like that that's full-size. But they say you will get, isn't that cute, deluxe-sized samples. That bag is so stinking cute. When we made the move into this room, I got rid of so many of my bags. I know. I feel horrible about it, but I had used so many of them, so I didn't feel like I could pass them along, so they are no more. These are my January boxes, and it says, Glow Your Soul, January 2024, and inside we do have my products. This bag is $14 now, and they say you will have, I believe, $70 worth of products. Okay, first out we have a pencil. It is, I cannot tell. I don't need to be able to tell, I can read. It is the YC Collection Island Eyeliner in La Parguera. La Parguera. It is full-sized. They say it has a $20 value. This revolutionary gel eyeliner is way ahead of its time. Not only does the smooth formula glide on effortlessly to enhance your eyes, but the multi-chromatic plum pencil, ooh, plum in there, also transforms into different shades depending on the lighting. Oh yeah, we're ripping into this baby. Ooh, twist up. Yay. What did I say it was going to be? Oh, plum. Can I get that across to you guys? Here, let's draw on the back of my hand. Oh, it's so smooth. Hopefully you guys can see how pretty that is. It went on so, this is not at all awkward. It went on so smoothly. The other end, it seems to have maybe a smudger. Let's get in there. Yeah, I think just a little spongy thingy that you could smudge it with, although it seems to have dried down really quickly. I have no issues with that. That is awesome. Island Eyeliner in Plum. I will definitely try it because I have hazel eyes that lean green, and purples are supposedly really good for pulling the green out of eyes. Next, I have a Lauren's Vanilla Almond Body Lotion. So just a little body lotion. I will probably keep it up here to use on my hands. Oh, it's very thick and nice. Can you see that? Let's see if it takes off my K when I rub it in. Oh, very thick. Wow. And that eyeliner, can you guys see that? It is hanging in there as I put a lotion over it. That is a good sign. I mean, wow. Oh, that smells good. Does it? Wait a minute. It smells like vanilla and almond, but something about it has a tinge of mustiness to me. Like, you know when you walk into an old building, like books, like old books? I know, it's not what you're exactly after, but that is kind of what that smells like a little bit to me. Reaching in next, we have a First Aid Beauty Deep Cleanser, and it is with red clay, helps remove excess oil and unclog pores. First of all, I don't need this. I have no excess oil. My pores are not too clogged, so I will set this aside for a giveaway also because First Aid Beauty generally has licorice root in it. Oh, I'll go back and read about the hand cream in a second. This says the days of worrying about your next breakout are over. This daily cleanser helps purge the skin and balance sebum production thanks to red clay and rosemary leaf oil. Plus, antioxidants help fend off environmental aggressors, and glycerin helps hydrate and smooth your skin. The MSRP of the full size of this product, 4.7 ounces, would be $24, and we have 1 ounce, so about a fifth, so somewhere between $4 and $5. The Lauren's hand cream, nope, body cream, body lotion. Yeah, I would not want my whole body to smell like that. This lightweight body lotion also was very thick. I'm just disagreeing with all of this. This lightweight body lotion has all your fave nourishing ingredients: vitamin E, shea butter, and coconut oil, plus licorice root extract. It helps even out the skin to calm any inflammation. And oh, did we mention it smells like delicious vanilla almond goodness? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. If you are new to the channel, I am allergic to licorice root. I have never thought to check body lotions before. Generally speaking, it's not in body lotions. I'm sure First Aid Beauty has it in its body lotion, but I know that about First Aid Beauty, but now I will also be aware of Lauren's. No big deal. Little rash between friends never mattered, right? Ooh, look how cute this is. It is Voile Ditto Lasting Makeup Fix Mist, and it is 1 ounce. That is so cute. Ditto Voile Makeup, or Dido, I don't know. Voile Makeup Fix Mist. Set it and forget it. It's the setting spray's motto. It helps seamlessly and easily blend your makeup and lock it down all day and night. Plus, ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin keep it hydrating and refreshing. Tip: hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches from your face and mist onto skin evenly. And if it were full-sized, it would be 50 ml and $19. This is 30 ml, so it's more than half. So this is somewhere between $10 and $11, I'd say. I'm telling you. Oh, wow, what a fantastic. I don't know that in even the expensive products that I have had, I have ever seen so fine a mist. That almost made like a cloud. I don't, here, I'm gonna do it one more time. Cover my iPad. Can you guys tell? I mean, it almost evaporates cloud-like. Wow. I will tell you, when this is gone, and or if I don't like it and I pour it out, this would be so great for travel. It would also be great for day-to-day use. Just pour what you're using in there. That is an amazing mist. Last out, and my choice, we have the Lucky Chick Daydreams. I think it is an eyeshadow palette. Let's look at it and decide if we're going to swatch it or put it aside for a giveaway. This is what it looks like. When we open it up, oh, how sweet. There's no mirror, just for the record. I could show it to you like this. There's no mirror. It is very neutral. It is neutral, I would say, all except for, and I'm not gonna put my finger on it, this color right here, it's leaning very cool, which is actually good for me. But I have so many neutral palettes, and I just, when I cleaned out the room, I did away with so much stuff that I had set aside for giveaways that I had never done, and I was worried about dates. But what I noticed is we get so little makeup these days that I almost have no makeup for my giveaways. It's almost all skincare, so we're gonna save this. That is my complete Ipsy Glam bag. It is a $14 bag. You get the adorable bag, and the pull on this one is just a round that says Ipsy. I chose, because when you have an Ipsy Glam bag, you do get to choose from several choices they give you one of your products. So I chose the Lucky Chick eyeshadow palette Daydreams, the Lauren's with licorice root body cream that smells a little bit like old books, the First Aid Beauty, it's a deep cleanser. Somebody, oh, is it sealed? Can I put it in the giveaway? Somebody will love this. It is, oh, it's not sealed. Darn it. Hopefully somebody I love. I'm never inclined to put open things into a giveaway. It feels very, very full. The Amazing Mist, or Mister, I don't know about the mist yet, but the Mister is perfect. And this plum eyeliner. Yay, that was a great bag. $14. They say you're going to have $70 more worth of value. It's probably very true. Okay, let's move into my Boxycharm. With Boxycharm, you will have 5 full-sized products. You will choose 3 of them. 2 will be chosen for you. The 3 that you get to choose, you will choose from a selection of 6 or 9 products. fine. This is the first video I have taped upstairs sitting at my desk in a long time. Shows a little bit, yeah. This is what it looks like when we open it up. We have our paperwork, and those are my products. Brushes. Okay. The paperwork that we get in this box, and then our icon. If you get the icon, it comes out quarterly. It's usually very, very nice, and we don't get paperwork as a rule with that either that tells us specifically about our products. This says, glow your soul, soft launch the new year by getting relaxed and recharged. And on the inside, it just tells us some of the power picks and then the Ipsy clean beauty picks. And then in this box, I should also have my beauty boost. And on the months where we get Boxycharm, the beauty boost comes in this. And on the months where you get your icon, you don't get your Boxycharm, and your beauty boost comes in your icon. Okay, first off, we'll look at this big one that we know we have. It is Game Beauty Eyes on Me, and it is eyeshadow. Eyeshadow? Yes, eye brushes, not eyeshadow. You could do other things with them. You could do your liner and that kind of thing. This is one of the items that I chose. And let's see, I brought my iPad since we don't have information for it to tell us. It is a $25 value, 4-count makeup brushes. Whether you're creating a bold and dramatic look or a soft and natural one, these lightweight wooden brushes with a soft as cloud brush bristles will help you achieve your desired look with ease. Plus, with a comfortable grip, you'll never have to worry about slipping and ruining your masterpiece. And this is the E01, 02, 04, and 05. I am not going to open these and touch them, although I will tell you, a couple things about them I do love. The handles are purple, and can you see they have the grips on them? So they are, I mean, they're $25 brushes, so they're not expensive brushes, but they look pretty nice. Oh, look, the tips are purple too. I love that. I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside for the giveaway too. I have been getting quite a few brushes lately, and through the clean out, may or may not have discovered that I have more than enough to share. Next out of the box, I have a Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. It is number 2. This was chosen for me. I've managed to rip the top off of this. I don't think that I've ever tried the Anastasia concealer. That is what it looks like. The paperwork says it has a $29 value. It is full-sized. Everything in your Boxycharm will be full-sized. They don't call this concealer magic for nothing. The creamy, buildable formula can correct, brighten, and blur while still looking like skin. I am happy to have a new concealer. I needed one. I got, I think, a Ciate London in one of my boxes, and it's good coverage, but it's a little greasy. I actually have it on today. I put a lot of powder over it, but it requires too much powder over it. So I could use a new one. Let's see if it's light enough. Yep, I think it's gonna be right there. It's either gonna be foundation colored, which isn't bad either for days where I don't wanna put on a full face of foundation and I just kinda wanna hit some of my red spots. Ooh, she's thick. I have patted it out into a circle all over the middle of my hand. That is what it looks like. It's gonna be right there on the edge of if it's foundation colored or under eye for me, but I'm happy to try it. It looks on the back of my hand, just on the back of my hand, it looks just a touch cakey, but we'll see. We'll be hopeful. Okay, next out, and I believe their other choice for me, is the Signature Palette Luxe from Ofra. Give this one a look-see and see if it's one I'm going to keep or one I'm going to pass along. The only reason I say that is the picture of it that I'm looking at looks a little warm. When we take it out, it looks exactly the same. Oh yeah, this is very warm and very neutral. Excellent. It has a plastic piece over it. I am going to also set this aside for a giveaway. It has a $32 value, 7.5 grams, full size, of course. It's Champagne Wishes Come True. And it is 4 eyeshadows, and the one in the middle is considered a highlighter. Pop the champagne because this luxurious palette of rich mochas and shimmering bronzes will make you feel like you're living your best glam life. With shades like Truffle, a light warm brown, and Divine, a warm metallic bronze, you'll have endless options to create golden looks for any occasion. Golden looks just aren't good on my skin. Too many years, I would say how many, but it's a lot, so I don't want to say how many, of using makeup. I just know I do not look good in warm colors. I just don't. I don't care for the way I look. Okay, next out, one of my choices. I spent so many years saying, I can't do this, I don't like it, I have no interest, and now I'm building a wardrobe. It is the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color, and this was my choice. I've never been great at using the stick creams on my eyes, but what I have found is that when I'm not doing a full face of makeup like I do when I tape or if I'm going out to do something fun, I really still like to do my eyes and have some color on them, and these are perfect for that. I like it all over my lid and going up a little bit with the lighter colors, which is I think what this is going to be. And then I do have a couple darker colors that I'm trying to get better with blending in the creases. That's not what I'm great at yet. Ooh, this is pretty. I have, this one is, what I say, some kind of rose. Kiss from a Rose. I have one, I think, called Wild Rose already. Ooh, this is lighter. I love that. Can you see that right in the middle of my hand? I just love the thoughts of that all over my lid and then blend it up into my crease, and then for my crease and a little bit up, because I do have a hooded eye, a darker color. These are so nice and creamy. I love them. The Laura Merciers are probably my favorite. I have a couple from Thrive Cosmetics that I really like because I do like Thrive Cosmetics. And I also like that at the end of the Thrive one, you get a little blending sponge. But as far as lay down and smoothness, Laura Mercier takes it. Next out, and also my pick, we have Farrah Smooth Focus Face Primer. I could use a new primer. I am using, sadly, I'm using my Marc Jacobs. And we all know Marc Jacobs went away and I'm running out. And even as I use it, because I still have some, I'm a little nervous because it's dated. Let's just leave it at that. I've probably been using it too long. This is a big old tube or something. Let's see what it feels like. This goes on, I don't even imagine, maybe from height, nah, that I can show you that. It's just completely clear silicone-y. That feels magical. When you're rubbing it, it feels a little bit like silicone, but then it's not absorbing. I love the way this feels. If this feels this nice on my eyes and doesn't irritate me, I am going to love this. And last out, we have my boost. I couldn't decide whether to keep this as my boost or not. They have 6 or 7 boosts usually. You can absolutely change yours into one of the ones that they haven't selected for you. I decided to leave this like this. I will try it, and if it's not something that I can use with my sensitive skin, I will pass it along. But it is the Dermalectives Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation Microcurrent Facial Toning Device. It has a $179 value. So if you have used this, let me know if you had any results. This little tool is about to change your skincare game. It utilizes microcurrent technology to deliver soft, gentle waves through your skin and help stimulate the production of collagen and elastin. That means you'll be on your way to achieving firmer, smoother, and brighter skin. So I haven't decided whether I'm going to keep it or not, whether I'm going to pass it along, but I thought whether it was for me or for one of you guys, it was probably worth a try, right? And I was just thinking, I don't remember if I gave you all of the prices. The Ofra and the Laura Mercier eyeshadow stick are both $32, and the Farrah primer is $22. That was my Ipsy box for January. My boost, I have this Dermalectives microcurrent device. And then in my box, I had the set of eye brushes, the Ofra palette, the Anastasia, I have that out, the Anastasia concealer, the Laura Mercier eyeshadow pencil, and the Farrah primer for $30. Did I tell you guys that? This is a $30 box, but nope, $45 because you pay $15 extra for the boost. So this was a $45 box to me. But if you don't want to do the boost, and a lot of people don't, it is a $30 box. You will have 5 full-size products, and you will choose 3 of them from choices that they give you. They're little categories of choices that they give you. Thank you so much for coming by and visiting our new space, which looks a whole lot like our old space, but I'm gonna change this up, hopefully put some lights back here. It's gonna make it all look better. I think we have moved past Happy New Year, so let's move into a Happy Valentine's Day. It'll be February in a couple days. It's perfect. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you spending the time with me over here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and we'll talk soon. Bye.